escape all the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie and I am the Plenty Mama. Welcome back to the 31 days of uploads. I am so sorry that I missed yesterday. My husband and I were up super late. We're up super late last night getting stuff together to have our taxes filed today. I mean, it's only like October, so so we were up super late getting that done, and then all of a sudden I realized I never uploaded my video, so I forgot, and I'm apologizing for it now. I also forgot to record an intro for the video that this is for, so I figured I would kill two birds with one stone, and yeah, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for future Plenty videos. This was actually filmed at the end of September. Thank you. Are you helping? You helping? Okay, good. Let's scoot back. Okay, I am officially on a plant ban, like buying plants until October 31st. Unless I can track down an Anthurium forgetii for dark form for less than $100, because then I'm getting it and it's breaking it. But until then, I'm on a plant ban. Right, Dean? Yeah? Okay. So we have got a couple plants that we're going to be unboxing. One of these does not look promising because USPS did not do its service. And by that, I mean it's...
Oh no.
Yeah, Dean. Oh no. It got beat up. All right, so first up, I already know what this one is. This is from... What? This is from a friend in a Discord chat that I'm in. And yeah, so he was able to find this for me for a killer price. So thank you, Mitchell. What are you doing?
I fall.
You fall? Can you get back up? Look at that. Good job. All right. What are you doing? All right, so I see the fluff. Ooh, this is cute. Such a steal, too. All right, you guys. So, Mitchell, you did a great job packaging this. Whoop. Oops. All right, you guys. So this is my new string of turtles. And it comes in this super cute pot with drainage. I mean, it's just like your typical plastic pot, but I don't feel the need to repot it because it has drainage. But let's see. I want to make sure that no more leaves fell off, because the leaves, you can just put them on top of the soil and they will propagate. But this is a string of turtles. I will try to insert a better close-up of it in on the side or something. Dean, can you say turtle?
Turtle.
What? Turtle? Can you say turtle? Okay. All right, so this one, I know what this is also. It's fun when I actually know what it is. I got it in a package this week, and I literally, for the life of me, do not remember ordering it, but I ordered it off of Etsy. What happened was I had been, what? Baby, you don't need that right now, okay? So, I had been drinking, I'm assuming, one night and got on Etsy and bought like a suggested item, but it was a Adipoense, and it is so pretty, so I'm glad I bought it. It was an average price on it, but you know. Ooh. What is this? No. So this is not what I expected it to be, but so this looks like it might be a little Florida ghost. It has a little bit of yellowing to it, but that's fine. But yeah, I think that that's what that is. That it's a Florida ghost. So that was a nice surprise. So I reached out to the seller who this box came from, and she said it was a philodendron pedatum. If it's not a Florida ghost, will you tell me what it is in the comments? Stay on the porch. Hey, your green's up here. Look, there's blue. All right, so this one. Hey, Dean, you want to play with this? So it looks like her filler is like she takes paper into a shredder and uses that, which, I mean, it works. So this is one I got off of a Facebook purge, which is a theme with me. And hey, what are you doing? All right, so this is a Burl Marx Fantasy. So I don't know how this is considered a Burl Marx, but it is super pretty. God. There you go. So, that is cute. Alright, so now let's open up this big boy. A little bit nervous about it, but you know. This is a beast. Okay. I'm expecting leaves to be crushed here just because of the shape that this box is in, so, which is not the seller's fault at all. This is 100% USPS's fault. Can you stay on the porch, please? Hey, if you stay on the porch, I'll let you see my plant. You want to see my flower? Come on, you want to help me? Okay, so there is a little bit of bubble wrap in here, like very little, and crushed up paper, like not a lot. Oh, this is not fun. Hold on, Dean, hold on.
Ooh.
This is the extent of the packet, like the filler that was in the package. Plus 2 more of these. It is taped into the box. So it is taped in. Dean, can you please come here? You want to see my flower? Come here, baby. I'll show you my flower. Oh, it's huge. Bubby, can you come here? I want to show you my flower. Come here. You want to see it?
Yeah.
See it? Like, oh, this is a big boy. All right, Bubby, you ready? Come here. I need your help. You want to help Mama? I like it. You can always tell when people have a dog or a cat. So there is more fluff inside of here, which is good. All right, Bubby, you ready? The stems, ooh, the stems still look good. Hold on, please. Oh, oh, there's crushed leaves. I was hopeful. Okay, so
That's cool. That's cool.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Hey, look, come here. Bubby, come here. All right, you guys. So this is my new philodendron pastazanum. So that's what she looks like. I am concerned that there might be pests. Or it could just be from the soil from the pot she had it in. But this leaf, hey, Dean, hey, you wanna see my flower? Come here, you wanna hold it? Come here. So if you can see, there are black dots right there. Come here, baby, come here. Here, grab it right here, right here. But the stems look fine. There is a new growth coming in right here that's coming in red. So that's exciting. But overall, for the price I paid, this is a huge plant. Like, do you like it? What do you want to name it? You want to pick out a name? Take your Patsy out and tell me. What do you want to call it? What's its name? What's its name? Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo! Stop it! You're gonna break it. Stop it. This is expensive. So, So this is my new philodendron pastazanum, aka pasta. But just look at the texture on these leaves, like pretty. I am gonna do a little bit more of investigating or it's a fungus. I mean, it's coming off fairly easily. And I'm not seeing any creepy crawlies. Bye! Come here, baby. Hey, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Hurry, 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 hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. No, no, baby, let's leave this one alone. This one is very big and unstable. You wanna hold this? Do you like it? Yeah? Hold on, baby. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this beautiful pasta Santa. Make sure that you hit subscribe and you leave a comment down below, and you also give it a like, because that does help me out a lot. Dean, do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Well, say bye-bye in here. Look. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Here, hold on. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say subscribe? Subscribe. Subscribe. Like.
What?
Comment.
Hmm.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Dean, do you like it? What color is it? Take your patsy out.
Green.
It's green. Be careful. Do you like it? Is it cool?
Go.
Cool. No, 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 no. Not for you. Hey, Dean, can I have a kiss? You give Mommy a kiss? Please? Please give Mommy a kiss.
No.
Hey, give me a kiss.
No. No.
Please? Mwah.
Mom, quiet.
Mama cried. Give me a kiss.
Mm.
Aw. I love you. Can you say I?
Happy.
Hey, say I
Ow.
love
Yeah.
you.
Outside.
We are outside.
Outside.
Oh, you want to go to the backyard? Can you say please?
Please.
Blow kiss.
Mm.